Yeah, maybe
Right.
I I I don't have to go to work, and
Mm-mm.
of course, solar holidays, and
Mm-mm.
then after those days,
Mm.
I don't have to go to work.
Mm-mm.
I mean, like
Mm-mm.
for 7th and 8th February.
Ah, really?
Yeah, so I have like 9 days leave,
Wow.
including solar.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So of course I also want uh, one. I will not be uh, in my class during
Mm-mm.
this holiday,
Mm-mm.
and then I might be absent the additional holiday, like
Mm-mm.
on 7 and 8.
Mm-mm.
So I mean to say, I will not be in my class
Mm-mm.
whole next week.
You won't be attending the class
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
entire week. The
yeah,
entire week next
yeah,
week.
yeah.
Mm.
Entire
Yeah,
next
no.
week.
Right. Okay, no problem. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, a lot of students also, what is that? Also gave me a notice that they won't be attending the class too because of
Mm.
the holiday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's very
wow.
long holiday for me.
Indeed. All right. Well, anyhow, I hope you enjoy your time, of course.
Hmm.
That's the purpose of holidays and vacation,
Yeah.
right?
If
Yeah.
if I
Mm-mm.
knew uh, I could rest
Mm-mm.
earlier,
Mm-mm.
I would have booked like
Mm-mm.
air ticket to Philippines or something.
Oh.
It is
Wow.
very
Mm-mm.
good time to travel abroad or something, but
Mm-mm.
I I got to know
Mm-mm.
a few days ago.
Uh-huh. So like you already knew
Mhm.
like just a few days ago, just a few days ago.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's just bad. I mean, can't you like book a rush ticket?
But I think it is a lot more expensive than
Oh.
usual.
Mm-mm. Right. Especially when you're going to travel with your family.
Yeah, yeah.
But probably when you're alone, maybe it can be.
Mhm. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Mhm.
Anyhow, do you want us to proceed with the textbook?
Yeah.
Yeah. All
Let's
right.
move on to the textbook.
All right. So last time we studied data and graphs. We were actually studying about picture graphs. Now,
Mhm.
what can you remember from our last discussion?
Mm, we can check uh, how many items uh,
Mm-hmm.
using illustration or
With the use, with the
with
use of
with the use
illustration.
of illustration.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So that's what picture graph is all about. And we're going to move on to lesson 3 of chapter 4, which is
Tally
tally chart.
chart. Tally
Yes.
chart. Yeah.
Mhm. So, what is that? Yesterday, I think I asked you what you know about this, and
Mm,
you said it's new to
mm,
you, right?
yeah. It,
Yes.
it it was new to me.
All right. So, By looking at the picture, let's rely on the picture. Uh-huh. Are you getting some ideas what tally chart is all about?
Mm, I don't know. It's just counting or
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, so it's like
How
a
many groups?
this is what we call the abacus. Do you know abacus?
How to spell it? Tell me
Ah,
how to spell it.
abacus. Ah, so
Abacus.
yeah.
I
Yes.
I haven't I have no idea.
Yeah, it's like
Ah,
an instrument for
ch-
counting.
yeah, Japan.
Yes.
Yeah, I know
Mm-mm.
what it is in Korean.
Ah, right.
Yeah, actually, I used to learn abacus.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I
All
was
right.
real child.
Ah, okay. When
Mm,
you were really young.
yeah.
All right. Okay, with that being said, do you now have any idea what tally chart is all about or still not?
Mm-hmm.
This is actually related with one another.
I'm sorry.
Ah, with that being said,
Mm,
do you have now an idea of
mm,
what tally chart is all about?
mm,
Like relating to the picture?
mm, uh, separate through the colors and then count them.
Count them. Okay. So you hit one point. It's
Mm,
yeah, it's related to counting.
mm-hmm.
Right. So to
Related to.
explain,
Okay.
yes, to explain further, let's just read the definition. Kindly read the paragraph.
Okay. In this lesson, we will talk about telechurch.
Mm-mm.
Telechurch use marks to show
Mark.
the
Yes.
information we need. Telemarks look this,
Mm-mm.
like this,
Yes.
and they show how many objects are being counted.
Right.
This
Mhm.
is a tele telemark,
Mm-mm.
right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So with that being said, kindly explain what you understood.
So, can you put this page to the
Ah.
sharing page?
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, I cannot I cannot see it
You
yet.
can't see?
Yeah, I cannot see it yet.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
How about
Yeah,
now?
there. Yeah.
It's already there. All
Yeah,
right.
I can see it.
Mm-mm.
So, what should I call it?
Mm?
Just
Probably sticks. We call
sticks.
it sticks.
Stick.
Yeah.
One stick is one, and five stick is five, like this.
Yep.
Actually, in Korea we have a similar system.
Mm-mm. Yeah, similar counting system
We
for tele.
we
Oh,
usually
yeah.
use like this. Have you
Yeah,
seen
I
that
have,
before?
yes, I have encountered that before, and it means five in Chinese, I think.
Yeah, it is kind of China characters, but
Yes.
we use it. I don't know
Ah,
why.
okay. All right, it's Chinese character.
Yeah,
Uh-huh, I
but
understand.
we use it.
Hmm?
Anyway.
Yeah, it's same thing actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Before we proceed, where do you usually see tally charts?
Mm-hmm. I'm
Where
so.
can we
Oh.
usually use it, or where can you usually see it?
Where can we usually see it?
Yes.
Mm, maybe in school or
School.
in company.
Like what kind of activity?
Maybe how many students? I mean, how many students want to drink milk or something
Ah.
in a
Alright.
class?
Yeah.
So, A class, B class, C class, a
Mm-mm.
class A, B, C like this, and then how many students want to eat or drink milk, and then
Yes.
yeah,
All right. And usually we use this in votations, right? Before.
invitation,
Yeah, votations.
votations, how to spell it?
Vote when you vote.
Ah, vote.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Vote system, votation.
Yes.
Yeah.
In votations, we
Mm.
use this also in basketball, like when you score basket. I don't know because I love playing basketball,
I
and
love.
when it was not yet digital,
Uh-huh.
right? They use tally
Mm-hmm.
charts. Yeah.
Yeah. How many
Mm-mm.
scores they learn or something?
They earned
Earn,
how many
earn,
scores? Yeah.
earn. Yeah.
How many points like that?
Run, not run the score. Earn the score.
Yes.
Mm,
Mm-mm. So, or you can say how many points they got.
they got. Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Like that.
Mm.
So the tally is actually useful. Where else do you think we can use tally charts?
Well, else?
Where else?
Actually, in my company,
Mm-mm.
we every day the division
Mm-mm.
check
Mm-mm.
uh, to see how many coworkers
Mm-mm.
uh, eat have dinner
Wow.
in counting
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
like this. So yeah, because the cafeteria. I mean, not cafeteria.
Canteen?
We have a
Mm-mm.
place where they serve the lunch and dinner,
Mm-mm.
but it's not restaurant. Yeah.
It's like maybe it's like a canteen. Do you know canteen?
Canteen.
Mm-mm.
Tell me the spelling.
Mm-mm. Or you can say, how do I spell that?
How do I spell that?
Uh,
Canteen.
yep. This canteen.
Cafeteria.
Yeah, it's the same with
Canteen.
cafeteria though.
Canteen.
Um,
Yeah.
mm-mm.
Cafe cafeteria usually serve the food or something.
Mm-mm. Yes,
Yeah.
I mean in the cafeteria they usually have this services like you can buy your food there, your lunch or breakfast, something
Ah,
like that.
really? If it is,
Yes.
it is cafeteria that we
Yeah, it's
have.
like
Yeah.
the company's cafeteria,
Yeah,
company
yeah,
cafeteria,
yeah.
like that.
So
Mm-mm.
they prepare the food
Mm-mm.
according to the counting.
Oh,
Yeah.
right, I understand.
Hmm.
Uh-huh, okay. So we can use it to those kinds of situation also. Or have you ever conducted what is that? Survey?
Survey.
Yes. Like when you were in college, probably,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So,
Survey.
so in statistics, how do you count all, or how do you, what is that? How do you know the subtotal or the total of the people you have conducted survey
Mm-hmm.
to?
Mm-hmm.
Is
So
by tally charts, right?
yeah, tally chart. It is tally chart.
All right.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Or we can use like
Yeah.
this.
Right. But for us, we just simply use this
Mm-hmm.
because,
Yeah.
yeah. All right. But now I think everything is already very
Yeah.
digital, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Actually, this system is used to be used.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. All right. Well, anyhow, that's very nice. So,
Yes.
yeah, let's proceed. Yes.
How many students like the color green?
Mhm.
There are four students who like the color green.
Mm-mm.
And how many students like the color blue? There
Mm-mm.
are 10 students who like the color blue.
Mm-mm.
How many students like color orange? Orange.
Orange. Mhm.
Orange.
Right.
There are three students who like the color orange.
Right. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. There, examples. Can you
Mhm.
explain? Mhm.
Use the picture graph to answer the question.
Mhm.
Uh, how many orchids are
Orchids.
orchids? How
Mm-mm.
many orchids are in the garden?
Mhm.
There are 9 orchids in the garden.
Mhm.
How many tulips are in the garden? There are
Mhm.
10 tulips in the garden.
Right.
How many sunflowers are in the garden?
Right.
There are 7 sunflowers in the garden.
Right. So yes, the
Mm-hmm.
answer is what is that? Obviously based on the graph. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh huh.
Maybe many women like flowers. So, what kind of
Uh.
flower do you like?
Oh, me.
Yeah.
I like daffodils.
What is that? Daffodil.
Daffodils.
I
Daffodils, like Daffodile.
da-
DOLS.
wow,
Yeah,
long.
daffodils.
Daffodilos.
I
Wow.
really like it because it's yellow, and my favorite color is yellow.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
it is. It is your favorite.
Yeah, I just saw it once and I fell in love.
Mm-hmm.
So only one time when I was young. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
All right. So what kind of flower do you usually give your wife?
Uh, frankly speaking, I don't
Mm.
usually give my wife flowers because uh, it is easy easy to. I mean, they are easy to die or
Ah,
yeah
yes.
yeah. So
They
yeah
decay easily
y- yeah
or wither, I should say.
wither.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
So they
But
wither easily.
but uh, the day that the day when I have to give some flowers
Mm-mm.
to my wife,
Mm-mm.
I would choose roses.
Oh, why?
It is very normal or simple way to give some flowers.
Right, I understand. It's like
Yeah,
it's a
yeah,
normal way of expressing your passion for
yeah.
the person you love.
But
Wow.
but I don't think she's. she also likes flowers.
Oh.
But
Wow.
when I do,
Mm-mm.
uh, she she pretend to like it first, but she
Of
I
course.
think she likes like mm, like
Mm-mm.
money more than flowers.
Of course. I think as you grow older,
Yeah.
yeah, you become more minimalist. Like you don't ask for anything luxurious or anything that is of no use. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyhow, I think it's still a very simple gesture of love and passion. All right. Yeah. Okay. Well, how about what is that? Giving her a pet? Does she
Pet,
like?
pet. No, pet is also the thing that she doesn't like.
Okay. Wow. Wrong idea.
Yeah, and then it's
Mm-mm.
way too expensive.
Ah, it's way too expensive.
Yeah,
Why? Really?
pet.
Mm.
You mean like cat dogs like this?
Mm. Yeah.
It's like at least $500 at least.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay. Actually, here we can adopt
I adopt.
animals. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I would do that also as well.
Mm-mm. All right. Anyhow, let's move on to the tally chart.
Okay.
Right. So what can we see? Mm-mm.
How many cats are at the pet store?
Mm-mm.
There are 9 cats at the pet store.
Okay. How about we try to explain the what is that? The chart first, or before jumping into the next
Okay.
one. Yeah.
Okay.
So we
Maybe
can. Mm-mm. How would you
not
explain that?
mm, the owner uh, owner uh, count
Mm-mm.
cats. So I mean, uh, 9 sticks equals 9 cats.
Okay.
So there are 9 cats at the store,
Mm-mm.
and dogs have 3 sticks.
Mm-mm.
So there are 3 dogs at the store, and
Mm-mm.
hamsters have 6 sticks.
Mm-mm.
So there are 6 hamsters at the store.
Yes. All right. Or you can start with. Are you done? I'm sorry.
Hmm. What else should I do?
All right.
Do you think?
Or what you did is also good, but or we can also do
Mm-hmm.
it like this. So, uh, in the pet store, there are three different types of pets,
Mm-hmm.
and the owner of the pet store counted the number of each pet.
Mm-hmm. Each pet.
So he made a tally chart to count the number to count the number of pets.
Mm-hmm.
So with the first one are the cats.
Mm-hmm.
So he counted 9 cats in total. It's
Mm-hmm.
okay to do it that way. All
Yeah.
right. And then next one are the dogs, and he counted
Yeah.
3 dogs in
Three.
total.
Yeah. 3 dogs in
And for
total.
hamsters,
Hamsters.
he counted 6
Six.
hamsters in total.
Mm-hmm. He
I like that.
counted six. He counted 6 hamsters in total.
Right.
Okay.
All right. Without depending in, you know, on what's written below.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Let's try if there's a mini quiz already. Example. Okay, another example.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Okay. But I don't think we have enough time to
All right.
proceed next page. So
All right.
it's a time I let you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to continue with 196 in our
So,
next class. All right.
yeah,
Do you have any
no.
questions, Mr. Jeff?
No, it's okay. I mean, I will practice how to
Mm-mm.
explain this chart.
Mm-mm. Yes. Only what is that? When you're only dependent on the chart.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes. All right.